Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to install a new set of electric window and door lock bezels in this '96 Bronco. Our Bronco was missing its bezel. One of the switches is broken and one was missing completely, so we're going to replace everything while we're at it. We will show you the steps for the driver's side bezel. The passenger side will be the same procedure. First, using a flat blade screwdriver, we will pry the old switches from the electrical connector. Take note that the switches have an alignment tab that corresponds to this slot to assist in the correct installation of the switch onto the switch housing. Carefully align each switch and press into place until fully seated, beginning with the door lock and then the two window switches. Our bezel also includes the cutout for power mirrors. Align the switch into the opening and using firm pressure, press into the bezel until you hear it snap into place. Now that all the switches are in place, we will use the 3 screws to attach the switch assembly to our bezel. Next, we will plug the electrical connector into the mirror switch. Press firmly until it snaps into place. Finally, we will install the bezel into the door and attach with the factory screw. Now we will test each switch for proper operation. Sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference, and as you can see, this was a simple installation, but it makes a big impact on the interior of your Bronco or Ford truck. You can find these at dennis-carpenter.com.